Sorry, lunch. Sorry, children, not breakfast, lunch. Yes, you have had lunch.
Yes, ma'am.
Then very good. We will move on to the class, children. Yes, already we completed the word and life. Yes. Now we will move on to the English. Okay. So English subject, right? Yes, we are in module 11. You all know the date and day. Already I have been introduced the date and day, right? Yes. So today it is 6th January 2022 and it is Thursday today. Yes? Yes, you know very well. Right, children? Yes, then we will move on to the workbook. Please take out your English workbook. Yes. Yes, in previous class what we learned, children? Can you tell me?
We learned
Idioms. Yes, we learned idioms, right? Idioms. Yes, what are idioms, children?
Idioms are different meaning and actual meaning.
Than actual meaning. Yes. It is a combination of the words. What? It is a combination of the words which is having a different meaning. Okay, than actual meaning. Understood? Do you remember that? The previous classes only we learned, right? Listen and answer also, right? Yes, words. Yes. Then we did the exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Yes, have you done 2.2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have given the homework, right? Have you completed? Make your homework you have done. Very good. Later on I will check it, okay? Yes, now we will move on to the page number 70. Okay, open page number 70. Here we have grammar, conjunction. Yes, conjunctions means what, children? Can you tell? Conjunctions are the two different words or two different sentences joining together, right? That is conjunction. Okay, that is and, but, so, or, nor, and all. These all are conjunctions. Understanding? These words will join the two words or two sentences. Understand? So these words, what they will do? Conjunctions will do. Conjunctions will join the two words or two sentences. Understanding? That is called conjunctions. Understanding? Yes. You have learned about coordinating conjunction in class 3, right? Grade 3. Have you learned coordinating conjunctions? Yes. Read the given sentence. Circle the coordinating conjunction and write which words, phrases or sentence they join. One already done. Do you want to eat the bread with jam or butter? Here, which is the coordinating conjunction?
Jam,
Or. This is the coordinating conjunction. Or. So that's why they have been circled. Okay. So which are the two words they have been joined?
jam, butter.
Yes, jam, butter. In the same way, you have to do this. Maria went to the market, but she did not buy anything.
But.
Yes, you have to circle but. Then you have to write the two sentences because they have joined the two sentences. Remove but, then you have to continue fully. You have to write with the sentence. Understand? This is your homework. Please mark it as homework, children. Later on, you have to do and bring. At home, you have to do and bring. Third one is I am late for it's raining. Okay. Yes. I don't usually wake up at 6 a.m. nor do I sleep before 10 p.m.
No.
Yes. I will go home and finish my homework.
My.
And yes, very good. They drove carefully yet they had an accident. Yes. The weather is bad, so it is better to stay indoors.
So.
Yes. So there are in conjunctions they have types. Do you know types?
Yes.
Do you know in conjunctions how many types we have? Tell me. 3 types. In conjunction how many types we have?
3 types.
3 types. What are they? Tell me.
Conjunctions.
We have 3 types. See, children. Conjunctions. We have how many? 3 types. See here. First we have coordinating conjunction.
Coordinating conjunction.
conjunctions. Then what we have? Correlative conjunction.
Correlative conjunction.
Correlative conjunction. Then what we have? Subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions. See, in conjunctions we have three types. Okay, three types of conjunctions. Understood, children? Look at the board, everybody. See, three types of conjunctions we have. That is coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, subordinating conjunction. Understanding these three conjunctions we have. Understand? So, remember this very carefully, children. Conjunctions are the words that join the two words or parts of sentence. I already told you, right? Together it will join. That is conjunction. Okay, conjunctions are the words. Okay, conjunctions are the words which join two words and it will join the two parts of sentence. That is called conjunction. Do you understand?
Yes.
If I ask, you should tell. What is conjunction means?
Conjunctions are
join words or parts of sentence. Okay, together is called conjunction. Understand? In conjunctions we have three types. In conjunctions how many types we have? Three types. That are coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, subordinating conjunction. Understood, children? So the conjunctions you have learned in class 3. In class 3 you have learned about conjunctions, right? That is for, and, not, but, or, yet and so. Correct? They all are coordinating conjunctions. That all words are coordinating conjunctions. They connect two similar parts. They will connect the two similar parts of a sentence together. Understanding? Yes, they also connect two independent but similar sentences. Okay, similar sentence also they are connecting. Understood? These coordinating conjunctions. Understanding? So remember the terms of fan voice. To recall the coordinating conjunction, you have to remember the fan voice. See, F-A-N-B-O-Y-S, voice, fan voice. If you remember the fan voice easily, then F for you will get in your mind. Oh, F for, A for and, N for not, P for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. Okay, like that. So these all are what? Coordinating conjunctions. You can keep it in mind. Which are coordinating conjunctions? Easily you can tell. For, and, not, but, on, yet, so. Okay, you have to remember this. That is very important. See, it will recall coordinating conjunction. We can recall in this way. Easy method. If you keep this fan voice in your mind, easily you can tell the coordinating conjunctions. Understanding, children? Yes. So next we have exercise 3.1. Fill in the blanks with the correct coordinating conjunctions from the given words. One already done for you. Yes. The room was messy, so we cleaned it. Already, so they have underlined it. So they have written in that fill in the blanks. So now you have to choose the correct conjunctions and you should write it. Okay. See here. Her two favorite sports are cricket dash kabaddi.
And
Very good. And write down and. Turn the page. Yes. Next what we have, the test is tomorrow. Dash Veena has not begun studying.
but
Yes, very good, right? But sorry, yet children, yet. The test is tomorrow, yet Veena not begin studying. Okay. Which of the two ice creams do you want? Chocolate dash vanilla.
for and beautiful. But
Choice is there.
or
What?
so
Or.
or
Very good. Or. Okay. Next, he was happy that he had won the cycling race. For. Very good. Niharika, for. Okay, sixth one. Rajesh knows how to swim dash his brother does not. But his brother doesn't. Okay, does not. Very good. Now let us learn about the second type of conjunction. Okay, second type of conjunction is correlative conjunctions. Okay, first we learned the coordinating conjunctions. This only, right? Coordinating conjunctions. That is fan voice. F for fan, F for for, A for and, N for not, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. Okay, so this is coordinating conjunction. Now we will learn the correlative conjunction. That is the second type. This is the first type. This is the second type. Now we will learn correlative conjunctions. See, listen the passage I will read. Listen carefully. Meher is hungry at night. Her mother asks her what she wants to eat. Meher says that she wants neither vegetables nor fruits to eat. She says she wants either a burger or fried chicken. She also wants sweets. Her mother tells her that having junk food and too many sweets is not good. They not only lead to high cholesterol but are also bad for Meher's teeth. Okay, so here everything which is mentioned in the black, right? Darkly they have written, right? That all are correlative conjunctions. Understand? Neither, either, nor, or, not only, but also. These and all are correlative conjunctions. Understood? See, observe the word pairs neither, nor, either, or, and not only, but also. In the previous paragraph, these words pairs are called correlative conjunctions. I already told you. These words which is being mentioned in the black, right? That all are correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs. They will work in pairs. Okay? They will work in pairs to join the phrases or words. To join the phrases or words that carry equal importance. Okay? Equal importance within a sentence. Okay? Neither, either. These and all give the equal importance. Correct? In that sentence, if you read, you can understand. Right? So, the correlative conjunctions, what it will do? It will work in a phrase to join the phrases. Okay? To join the phrases or words that carry equal importance. It will carry the equal importance within a sentence. Understanding? Next we have Meher wants either vegetables nor fruits. Examples, here the word neither or nor is there, right? That show the Meher gives equal importance to both vegetables. Okay, both vegetables and fruits. She is giving equal importance. She does not want either of them. Either, she doesn't want. Neither means she wants. Either means she doesn't want. Understanding? She wants either a burger or fried chicken. Here Meher gives equal importance to both the burger and fried chicken by saying that she would like to eat. She would like to eat whether burger or fried chicken. Okay, like that. She is giving an equal importance. See, both, correct now? Vegetables, fruits also, she is given. Equal importance is given even for the burger and that fried fish also, chicken also, she is given the equal importance. So she don't want to eat vegetable and fruits, but she want to eat that burger and that fried chicken. Okay. So next is they do not lead to high cholesterol. They not only lead to high cholesterol but are also bad for Meher's teeth. Right? Mother is thinking like that, right? Here Meher mothers give. Here who is giving? Meher's mother, not Meher. Meher's mother is giving equal importance to both the reasons. Both the reason, both the sentence is giving equal importance for avoiding junk food. Understanding now? Equal about the fruits and vegetable also, equal of the junk food also, and even the sentence also. Mother is thinking of the junk food, right? That also. So these sentence will tell us that this is a correlative conjunctions. Okay, in this sentence we have correlative conjunctions. Understanding, children? Yes. Exercise 3.2, read the sentence and color the correct correlative conjunctions to be used. One is done for you. Yes, if you understood this correlative conjunction, then you will do easily this exercise. So this is your homework. Mark it this also as homework. Exercise 3.2. Okay? In this, carefully read the sentence, children. Carefully see the options which are they have given. That you have to color. Here any color which you like. Okay? So which is the correct answer? For that you have to need to color correctly. Don't do it wrong. Okay? Once you color, you can't erase that. So keep it in your mind and do it correctly. Okay? So I think we will end up till here, children. Exercise 3.3 we will do in the next class. Okay? So till here it is enough. So your homework is exercise 3.2. Then conjunctions, page number 70. This is your homework. You have to complete it. Okay? Please, children, do the classwork homework regularly and send it in the group for correction. And you must read the workbook again and again. Then only you will remember. Understanding? So you have to read once again. Okay, at home, please everybody read it. Okay? Yes, then we will end up the class here.